Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is Earfleek. I have 2 subscriptions. I actually bought 3. I gifted one to my mom. And they look like this. Yeah, there is this one, the pink one, and the blue one. This came second. This came first. So I'm gonna go into this one. It's from, like I said, it's from Earfleek. On the back, it has the cutest little saying. A girl should be 2 things, classy and fabulous, from Coco Chanel. Which I do look up to Coco Chanel, which is one of my faves. This one says fashion is from art than art is. Fashion is more art than art is, which is pretty cool. I love it. Okay, so the pink envelope, we shall see. I've opened these. I just wanted to make sure nothing nothing got monkeyed up. These are 2 different collection things. I had a $10 gift card. I used I think this one was under $2. The blue envelope I think was, or wait, I forget. I think that one was the blue envelope was under 2. The pink one was almost 4. And the one my mom got, same thing as the pink. So, it's cute little ones like this. I'm going to take them out. Which I love these. These are super cute. Super cute. Yeah. These are so cute. I love them. Yeah. These are so cute. They're dangly. They look like this. Let me do it like this. Yeah, they're just dangly with a little, diamond-y rhinestone thing hanging over here. See? Hanging that little hoop and a black little thing on the bottom. I love these. I forget, Alexandria Ryan. She's some YouTuber I dig here on YouTube. I seen her unbag these and I'm like, I got super curious. These are so cute. I'd totally buy these if I found them at some store. I usually used to get my jewelry, a good percentage of my jewelry from Claire's or Hot Topic or stuff like that. And if I seen these in one of those stores, I'd totally pick these up. They're the black one. These are cute. I totally wear these always. The next one I have to show you is so cute. I swear they really picked. I think these are the I don't give a hoot pack. It's you get one of every category, an earring from every category, one set of earrings from every category. Every month you get a different pair, which is so cool. I love these. These are a must. I love what the card says. It's so cute. Later on I'm gonna post on my Instagram at My Pretty Things, I think it is. My Pretty Freebies. On that one I'm gonna post that. Post what it says here. P.S. Share your new luck for a chance to win a free year. #Earfleek. You can go onto Earfleek and check out all the things. They have premium, which I really want to get. I really want to. I could have just said, screw it. Instead of getting me 3 I got 2 for myself, 1 for my mom. Instead of me getting 3 different subscriptions, I could have said, screw it, I'll get the premium for like $10. You know? Yeah, like, I contacted support at earfleek.com because I'm like, hey, where are my earrings? My mom's came first. You know? Like, that's why, like, if you don't receive your, like, thing, like, just email that company and say, like, hey, where is it? I swear, I thought they were, like, gonna send me, like, 20 pair of earrings because I mentioned I wanted to do a YouTube video about this. So, this is the next one, the blue envelope, which is so cute. So cute. I love this one. It's pretty funky. Funky, I tell you. Funky. And so it says, did you know? Swipe through our inventory and get what you love. Log on to earfleek.com and click the link at the bottom of the page to play for free. Earfleek, you could follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Earfleek, hashtag Earfleek, /Earfleek, and @Earfleek. Support at earfleek.com, questions, comments, damages, any of that. And that's cute. I love this. Yeah. And so I thought, oh my god, I love these. These look like, I had my eye on these one pair of Betsy Johnson earrings, like, for the longest time. Like, these look like something straight out of her thing, you know? Like, I'm gonna do it like that. There's 2 of them, and I love these. I love me some little post-back earrings sometimes. But these are, like, bigger post-back. Like, today I have my little British flag thing going on here. That's what I have on my ear today. And this is nice. It's longer than that. Like, I'm just, like, yeah, I would say these are, like, not exactly post-back, but they're, like, little hangy. Like, I would consider them, like, the size of a small hoop. Dangly. Which is pretty cool, which I absolutely love. And yeah, I totally recommend Earfleek to everybody. I love them. I am totally gonna do the thing what it said on from the pink one. I am gonna post, like, my look, like, sometime this week. Maybe one of my pages, maybe my beauty page or something. I'll post one on one and one on the other. You know, like, you can have your chance to win a year for free. So that's that for this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next. Please subscribe, like this, comment below if you want to see something new. Bye.